Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do breast self-examination on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should use your Touch ID or type in your password, and after that tap on the self-care option down below. Tap on Discover and scroll down till you find this self-exam section and tap on breast self-exam. Here you are going to see all of the 3 steps that this session contains. Tap on the button
Step
Start.
1. Look.
And then you will be able
Stand
to
in front of a mirror with
you will be able to hear these instructions that you need to follow, and then you can proceed with the self-examination.
Step 1. Look.
You need to indicate what you feel.
Stand in front of a mirror with your shoulders straight and your arm
button, and then you will be able to see multiple icons that indicate the result. Tap on them and then proceed with the examination, and then you will get the result of it at the end. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.